Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as you can see, we are back at Walgreens and we are about to get into this week's deals, and we are going to kick it all digital today. So the reason why I came in Walgreens is because last week when I was here, I got this point booster coupon for $7 in points when I spend $30. So I want to come up with an all digital $30 transaction today so we can get this $7 in free money. So that is what we are going to do. I also am starting over here just because I want to show you, if you guys are interested in these wipeout wipes, Walgreens is stocked in my area, so this is an alternative if you can't find the Clorox and Lysol wipes in your area. First deal up is going to be a freebie on the Crest and Oral-B products. So these are $4 on sale this week, and then when you buy 3, you are going to get back a $5 register reward. We have a $7 off of 3 digital coupon. So what that means is we're going to pay $5 and get $5 back, and you can use points to pay for this deal. So what I'm going to do, I love these charcoal toothbrushes. I'm going to grab 2 of these and 1 bottle of mouth rinse for $4. We'll use that 7 off of 3, pay 5, get 5. These will be free. Next deal up is going to be an amazing moneymaker on the Colgate. So these are on sale for $2.99 this week. And we have a $4 off of 2 coupon that applies to the total SF. So I'm going to grab 2 of these deep clean, use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I'll pay just $1.98 for 2 boxes, but then I'm going to get back a $5 register reward for purchasing 2, making these babies free plus a $3 moneymaker. The next item I'm grabbing is some of these complete home dishwasher packs. So these are on sale, buy one get one free this week for $3.49. I'm going to grab 2 packs of the premium ones right here. And if you're wondering, these products work great. The next item we're going to grab is an absolute money maker on the Depend silhouette. So these are $5.99, but I have a $5 digital coupon and we have a $2 Walgreens coupon. So when we use both of those coupons, we're going to pay $0 for this product, but then we're going to redeem back on Fetch Rewards for 100% cash back. So I'm not sure just how much we're going to get because the cash back is supposed to be after your coupons, but I'm pretty sure we're going to get a nice amount of points back for this. So this will be free out the door plus a moneymaker and Fetch points. The next item I'm going to grab is one of these Always Discreet pads. So these are 2 for $10 or $6.29. I also have a $5 off digital coupon on this product. So I'm just going to grab 1 since my digital coupon is off of 1. So I'll pay $1.29 after that $5 coupon is applied. All right, you guys. So this is everything that I am grabbing in my first transaction, and this is going to be all digital coupons. The only paper coupons that I'm going to be using today is that point booster coupon. And I'm also going to be using this $2 coupon from the coupon booklet on the silhouette. And I have the $5 digital loaded for the silhouette. I have the $5 digital loaded for the Always. I won't be using a coupon on the dishwasher pack. I'm going to use a 7 off of 3 on the Crest products and then a 4 off of 2 on the Colgate products. That will be all of our coupons in this transaction. So this is $33.75 in merchandise. So we should also be able to use that $7 point booster. And then after all of those digital coupons are applied, I should have to pay about $10.75 plus tax out of pocket. And then what I'm going to get back is the 7,000 points for the point booster. I'm going to get back money from Fetch, and I should get back 2 $5 register rewards for the Colgate and for the Crest. So that is a minimum of about $20 that should come back to us after spending only $10. Long story short, we're going to double our money purchasing these items. So let's go up to the front and check out and see how everything works. All right, you guys. So this transaction actually worked out better than I anticipated. Y'all, I had to come over here because I laid this receipt right out and scanned it into Fetch Rewards. So here's a close-up of my receipt. There is everything. There's our nice dishwasher tabs. There's our Crest and Oral-B products. There's our Always. There's the Depends. So all of our digital coupons came off successfully. There is our point booster. Subtotal came out to $10.75. I paid that in cash because I did want to make sure that I got all of my points back. Now, here's where it gets good, y'all. I got back a total of $10 in points for this deal. So I got back the 7,000 for the point booster, but I also got back some multiplier points. I had to pull up the app to see just how many I got back. Y'all, we got back $10 for this deal after spending $10. So it was already free out the door, but we also got back our two $5 register rewards and the fetch points, y'all. I got back $6 in fetch points. So this is a total of 10, 20, $26 with the fetch points that we got back after spending the $10.75. Y'all, this deal was a $16 moneymaker. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with my free money. All right, so we have some options with what we want to do with our free money. So I have two $5 register rewards that I'm actually going to use today. Now, if you're somebody who likes to shop for the beauty event, then you may want to hold on to these register rewards. I don't play with the beauty event like that, and I don't like to leave the store with register rewards. So I'm going to go on ahead and spend these up. And what I've decided that I'm going to spend them on is some paper products. So the first thing I'm going to grab, since my store is completely out of the Scott products, is I'm going to grab one of these Complete Home 6-packs of paper towels. These are $4.99 regular price, but we have a 50-cent IVC, which makes them just $4.49. The next item I'm going to grab is one of these Cottonelle 12 equals 24 packs. No coupons on these, but they're on sale for $5.99 this week. So I'm going to use one of my register rewards on these as well. All right, you guys. So let me show you the receipt for our second transaction. So here is the Cottonelle. There is the paper towels. We use those two $5 register rewards. I also redeemed $1 in points to pay that 48-cent balance. And the taxes, I paid 21 cents with some change in my coin purse, and we are out just like that. So in that first transaction, we made $16. We just spent 10 or 11 of that $16 on our paper products, and we are still up leaving Walgreens today. This was still a super money maker because we are up in points, and I got back $6 in points from Fetch Rewards. So this is a beautiful situation, and y'all know I'm about to scan this receipt into Fetch Rewards so I can get some points for that Cottonelle as well. So I hope these deals were helpful to you all. Please remember to check below for a written breakdown and thumbs up the video. I thank you so much for watching, and you know I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.